Thinking about banking with RBC, but wondering if it's the right fit? Let's dive into the pros and cons in the next 90 seconds. First up, let's talk services. RBC offers a wide array, from basic checking and savings accounts to credit cards, mortgages, investments, and insurance. They really are a one-stop shop for financial needs. Convenience is key, and RBC shines here. They have a massive branch network across Canada, making in-person banking easy. Plus, their ATM network is extensive, so accessing cash is rarely a problem. In today's world, mobile banking is a must. The RBC mobile app is generally well regarded, offering features like mobile check deposit, bill payments, and balance checks all at your fingertips. Now, let's talk about rates and fees. This is where RBC can be a bit of a mixed bag. While they offer competitive rates on some products, their fees can sometimes be higher than other banks. Do your research and compare. Customer service is crucial. RBC's customer service is generally considered to be decent, but experiences can vary. Be prepared to potentially wait on hold or navigate through automated systems. So, is RBC a good bank? The answer depends on your individual needs and priorities. Weigh the pros and cons carefully to decide if RBC is the right financial partner for you.